everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into Super Block in Bitrix24 sites. So, glad you see. Hit that like button and let's get started. Super Block in Bitrix24 sites. Super Block is a mode in which you can change items within block on your site. For example, you have a block with a header and text. Now you can complement it with other items such as video or buttons. Thus, you can create a unique site. To access the super block mode, open your site in edit mode. You can find any of the block you want to customize it. Here I am taking this block and click on the super block. Here is the super block setup form that allows you to add or remove the block items. For example, place a button under the text in the column. To add this, hover the cursor over a suitable place and click on Add Item. Here we already have some items like text, title, title with text, image, video, button, two buttons, icon with text, icon with title. So here I am adding, you can select any of the item as you want to customize your super block to block. So here I am adding button. To remove unnecessary item, click on this bin icon next to them. If you want to, if you are not satisfied with the changes you made, you can undo the actions here. Also, check how the block looks on different devices. Switch the view at the top of the page. When all settings are made, then click on Save button. Use the Edit and Design buttons for further block changes. If you do not like the block appearance after save changes, you can set up it using the Global Undo button here. If you want to another features on Super Block, if you are not satisfied with these features, if you want to add some more you can give your feedback on top right here. Click on the feedback. Hey, after clicking that feedback, you can give your feedback on Super Block if you want to change just anything in Bitrix24 Super Block. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.